Yogurt cake. Ingredients: 4 eggs, a cup of yogurt, 2 cups of sugar, half cup of oil, 2 cups all-purpose flour, a spoon of baking powder. How to prepare? On the mixer, beat the eggs, the yogurt, the sugar, and the oil until smooth. After, add the all-purpose flour and the baking powder, mixing with a spoon. Put in a greased baking pan and bake for 35 minutes or until golden.